This is the big story here. This is the chicken of the day. Bang! VanEck files for first Solana ETF in the motherfucking United States, baby. Bang! Yes. And we don't talk about prices here. So, I mean, this is amazing. Honestly, a lot of people have been saying this lately. Personally, I thought Chainlink was going to be the next one. Right? People were saying Ripple and Solana. Well, Ripple is definitely not going to happen because they're still in court. So no one's going to start an ETF out of Ripple. You don't know what the court case is going to come out as. With Solana, I was kind of like, look. I thought it would probably be Chainlink because all those banks and everybody, are starting to, test and just looking at Chainlink. So I figured they'd think, well, this thing works. Why don't I make an ETF out of it now? Because I'll probably be using this thing in a couple of years or something, right? Anyways, though, I was wrong. Well, not wrong, but just I didn't think Solana would be the one. But Solana is the one, right? Because we have the two, the king and the queen, Bitcoin and Ethereum. ETFs, investment vehicles made for them. All right. But what we've been talking about here on this channel lately is we need altcoin investment vehicles, right? Altcoin investment vehicles built by, brand names, Fidelity, BlackRock's, Vanguard. Well, Vanguard's being a little, I don't know what's up with Vanguard lately, but just, right? We need brand name financial institutions to start building stuff like this, investment vehicles of our altcoins. And so, but let's check this out. VanEck files for the first ever Solana ETF in the United States of America, emphasizing its scalability, speed, and low-cost transactions. Scalability, that's why all those fucking meme coins are on that motherfucker. Taking our daggone money. I'm not a fan of Solana, I'll tell you that right now. But whatever. I mean, I don't mean to diss you if you're a hodler or anything. I'm just saying, personally, me, not a fan. But I mean, I guess if you are a hodler, you can look at me and say, well, I don't give a fuck if you're a fan, motherfucker. Because look, we're getting an ETF. Bang. All right. True. True. All right, so look, let's read it. Solana is compared to digital commodities like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fuck off, it is. It is not. In a groundbreaking announcement, VanEck has filed for the first Solana exchange-traded fund, bang, in the United States. Look, this move positions Solana alongside major digital commodities, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, reflecting its robust blockchain capabilities and unique market potential. Bang! That's the truth. They like it. We're gonna, you can't argue with the markets. The markets is going to come with a Solana. Well, all right then. All right. Like I said, wouldn't be my first choice. But look, I know what you're saying too. You're like, man, you're dissing a blockchain on your show. This show isn't here to hype up anything. It's just, this show is just me talking. So I tell you the truth how I feel about shit. All right. Solana, often seen as a formidable competitor, but it's, like I said, though, if you own Solana, well, this is great for you. And Solana is going to be a success. So I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, personally, not my favorite chain. That's all. You know what I mean? It's like pasta, I like penne, but I also like angel hair, right? I'm not too much of a fan of just, sort of the fatter lasagnas and linguinis, right? Or the fettuccinis, those flat kind of noodles. It's just preference. That's all. I'm not dissing, though. I mean, if you put a plate of fettuccine Alfredo in front of me, I'll eat that shit, all right? All right, guys, so look. I don't want to make anyone feel bad. So look, Solana, often seen as a formidable competitor to Ethereum, is an open source blockchain. Yeah, well, no vendor lock-ins. Compete with that, fuckstick. Is an open source blockchain designed to support a wide range of applications. These include payments, trading, gaming, and social interactions, all operating seamlessly within a single global state machine. Bang! Operating seamlessly. Unlike many other blockchains, Solana does not rely on sharding or layer 2 solutions to achieve scalability. Instead, it boasts a combination of scalability, speed, and low transactions costs, which may offer a superior user experience for various use cases. Okay. VanEck's head of research, Matthew Siegel, highlighted these strengths in a recent tweet. And he said, the VanEck guy said, by enabling thousands of transactions per second with minimal fees and employing an advanced security mechanism that combines proof of history and proof of stake, we believe Solana stands out as a powerful and accessible blockchain software. But Solana is a digital commodity. It ain't no daggone commodity, but whatever. Bitcoin and Ethereum, those are commodities. The rest of these motherfuckers, these are just corporations. That's why they have CEOs. So VanEck's decision to file for Solana ETF is grounded in the belief that Solana, Solana's native token, functions similarly to other digital commodities like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana is used to pay for transaction fees and computational services on the Solana blockchain, paralleling the role of Ethereum on the Ethereum network. Moreover, Solana can be traded on various digital asset platforms or used in peer-to-peer transactions, enhancing its liquidity and utility. All right. The Solana ecosystem supports, so can everything else. Everything can be transferred fucking peer-to-peer. What the fuck? All right, so anyways, the Solana ecosystem supports a diverse range of applications and services, from decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens, further underscoring Solana's value as a digital commodity. In my opinion, still not a commodity. There's a lot of blockchains that do these things, and so what? It doesn't make them a commodity. It's decentralized nature, and again, like I'm saying, I'm not dissing Solana or whatever. If you own Solana, I mean, you know, but this is just the opinion of the presenter, my opinion. Right? If you could show me how it is a commodity, other than these little things, well, I'll listen, right? All right. Blah, blah, blah. Its decentralized nature is a key feature with no single entity controlling the network. Most don't. Instead, transaction validation and record keeping are maintained by a global network of independent validators, ensuring a secure and resilient infrastructure. Siegel emphasized the broad range of applications and services supported by the Solana ecosystem, from decentralized finance to NFTs, underscores Sol's utility and value as a digital commodity. Bang! And that's the truth. It offers lots of services. Solana offers lots and lots. If you need to do anything, the only thing I don't see here is smart contracts, really. But Solana does everything else. Super versatile. Again, I'm disagreeing with the commodity part, but I mean, I'm not disagreeing that Solana is a full functioning, awesome piece of, right? From payments. Here we go. Let's bang it again. Payments, bang! Trading, bang! Gaming, bang! Social interaction, bang! All right? With scalability and everything. So, you know. Yeah, well, that's why these guys are all making meme coins on it. All right. All right, so that's it. Bang! All right, Solana hodlers. Bang! There you go, guys. VanEck, here it is, man. First Solana ETF in the US of A. Yeah, like I said, I heard a lot of people say, yeah, Solana XRP. Well, I know XRP wouldn't be the next one. They're in court. No one's going to start an ETF with something that is in court. But Solana, I kind of was like, I didn't see that. I thought Chainlink, because the banking systems here, especially in America, are testing it in, right? We read the story about JP Morgan and BNY Mellon testing and all that. So I thought that'd be the next one. But Solana is the winner of the first altcoin ETF here in America. Wow. Hasn't been approved or anything yet. Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yes. Aren't you getting ahead of yourself there, Shomari? Yes, you're correct. You're correct. I did get ahead of myself. But because what people are saying is that since Solana doesn't have futures contracts, maybe the SEC will deny it. I don't really know. We'll just see. So we'll just have to see. But so Solana hodlers, this is amazing. fuck, if this thing gets approved, bang! Off you go. So Solana hodlers, bye. Let's get to the shout outs.